Good day everyone, my name is Ray Marie Cabasag, taking Bachelor of Science in Office Administration at Metro Business College. Today, I will present the qualities of an effective business letter. A business letter is a formal method of communication used in professional settings for various purposes, such as inquiries, requests, complaints, or acknowledgments. An effective business letter not only conveys the message accurately, but also leaves a positive impression on the reader. This report outlines the essential qualities that contribute to the effectiveness of a business letter. Number 1 is clarity. A business letter must present information clearly and logically. The message should be easily understood by the recipient without confusion. This requires the use of a straightforward language and well-organized content. Is conciseness. Time is valuable in business. An effective letter should be brief and to the point, avoiding unnecessary details. Each sentence should serve a clear purpose, allowing the reader to quickly grasp the main message. Number 3 is courtesy. A polite and respectful tone is essential, regardless of the nature of the message. Even in cases of complaints or refusals, the letter should be written in a way that maintains professionalism and goodwill. Number 4 is correctness. Grammatical accuracy, proper punctuation, and correct spelling are crucial for credibility. Additionally, factual information should be verified to prevent misunderstandings or errors in communication. Number 5 is completeness. A good business letter answers all possible questions the recipient may have. It should contain all necessary information such as names, dates, references, or actions to be taken, so the reader does not have to request. Number 6 is formal tone and structure. Business letters follow a standard format, which includes the sender's address, date, recipient's address, salutation, body, closing, and signature. Maintaining a formal tone helps establish professionalism and authority. And lastly, number 7, appropriateness. The content and tone should match the context and the relationship with the recipient. For example, a letter to a client may be slightly more personal than one sent to a government office, though both remain formal. Conclusion. An effective business letter is a powerful communication tool that can enhance professional relationships, clarify expectations, and promote organizational goals by incorporating clarity, conciseness, courtesy, correctness, completeness, and proper formatting. The letter can successfully convey its message and achieve its purpose.